Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Sucheta. Today I am going to show you breakfast and lunch box recipe which is very easy, that is garlic rice or garlic chitrana. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. For preparing garlic rice or garlic chitrana, first I will prepare rice. So that I have taken a 1 cup of rice. Now I will wash this. After washing the rice, I have transferred it to cooker. For 1 cup of rice, I am adding 2 cups of water. I am adding half spoon of ghee. If you add ghee or oil, the rice won't stick to one another. Little salt. I will close the lid and I will pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Now here I have taken pan. I am adding oil. Let the oil heat. Once the oil is heated, I am adding groundnuts. We need to fry the groundnuts in low flame. Once the groundnut is fried, I will take it to separate bowl and I will add it later. Until it changes to little golden brown in color, we need to fry this. In low flame only we need to fry so that it will cook well inside. Now the groundnuts are fried, I am taking it to separate bowl. Now I am frying the cashews. This is optional. If you want, you can use cashews, otherwise you can skip. This will enhance the taste, so I am using cashews. Cashews also we need to cook until it changes to golden brown. Now it has changed to golden brown. I will take it to separate bowl. Now for the same oil, I am adding ghee. You can see ghee is melting. Now I am adding mustard, jeera, around 1 spoon of mustard, 1 spoon of jeera, and around 2 spoons of chana dal and 1 spoon of urad dal. You can see good aroma is coming as we are frying these ingredients in ghee. Now I am adding chopped garlic. As we are preparing garlic rice, we need to use garlic in slightly more quantity. We need to fry garlic in oil and ghee so that the aroma of garlic will enhance to ghee. Now I am adding chopped onion and finely chopped green chilies. And 2 pieces of red chilies. Little salt so that onion will cook fast. Now I am adding curry leaf. If you want, you can add turmeric powder. Today I am not using turmeric powder. Now you can see onion is cooked. Now I am adding coconut, freshly grated coconut. This is also optional. If you want, you can add, or else you can skip. After adding coconut, fry it for at least 1 minute. Now I am adding fresh lime juice. I will switch off the stove and I will add lime juice. Now the masala for garlic rice or garlic chitrana is ready. Now rice is also cooked. I am transferring into separate big bowl. See, as we have added ghee, it is not sticking. After transferring it to big bowl, I will allow it to cool for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am adding the prepared garlic rice masala. Now I will mix this. Mix it well. As I said, if you want, you can add turmeric powder. So today I am not using because let it be different. Now to enhance the taste, I am adding one special powder. This is made up of fried grams and jeera. For mixer jar, I have added fried grams and jeera and I have grinded it. And that powder I am adding today. Today I am using around 2 spoons of fried gram jeera powder. This will enhance the taste and it will give different taste. Now I will be adding salt for taste. If you want, you can check and you can add lime juice also. Now I am adding the groundnuts which we fried earlier. I am adding few groundnuts now and few groundnuts I am using it for garnishing. And cashews also I will use for garnishing. Now I will mix this. And you can carry this for lunch box also and you can use it for breakfast recipe also. And kids will also like this. Now I am adding coriander. Now I will mix this. Now garlic rice or garlic chitrana is ready. Very fast. You can prepare this. Within few minutes you can prepare this. Now you can see garlic rice is ready. I have garnished it with fried groundnuts and cashews and along with kara bundi which I made it in home only. It's homemade. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.